Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a megalodon. So I'm going to kind of make this my own version and kind of add some different little details and stuff onto here. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a circle shape for the eye, and I'm going to add another little circle inside of it. Then I'm going to color in the inside, because a lot of times sharks, their eyes kind of roll back in their heads. Then right above this, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves around and then down like this. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down, and then it's just going to kind of curve right back to here. And that's going to kind of form like where the nose and the mouth are. Then starting here, I'm just going to kind of curve a line. It's just going to go around, and it's going to kind of curve right around the top of the head, or top of the eye, I should say. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of add these little kind of like ridges on the back, just to make it look like it's a little bit more prehistoric. And I'm just going to kind of curve these up and then kind of curve them down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line. It's going to kind of curve up. Then it's going to go down. I'm going to put like a couple little nicks in it so it looks like it's been kind of like beat up. I'm going to curve it in. Then I'm just going to draw a line. It's going to kind of curve back to here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve down. Then I'm going to kind of curve it really close back to the mouth, maybe leave a little space or two. Then I'm going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve down, and it's going to curve up around here to kind of form where the gills will be. Then I'm going to kind of curve it down here. I'm going to start up here and I'm going to make a long line that just kind of goes down for the fin. Then I'm going to kind of curve this up, could put a couple little more nicks in it, and then kind of bring it in. Then I'm going to add a little curved line right here. Then I'm going to add this, I'm going to make this line a little bit longer down here. We'll kind of color that in later. And I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to kind of curve it up to here. Add a little pointy line that goes here to here. And then just kind of draw a line that just kind of curves up to here. Then starting up here, I want to make a line that's just going to go all the way towards the top of the paper and then come down. Make a little pointy line here and then draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. The tail looks small because we want it to look like the shark's kind of swimming this way and the tail's going to be in the background. Little line that just kind of curves down and then comes back up to here. Now right up here, I'm going to add a little curved line where like the nostril is going to be, and then another little line around it. I'm going to add some sharp teeth down here. I'm going to make them a little bit bigger than what they might be, and I'm going to put some smaller ones up here at the top. I'm going to start here. I'm going to make a little line that's going to kind of curve down, and then I'm going to add a second line right in here just to show where the gills are. So I'm just going to do that a couple times. Curve line, then draw another little line on top of it. We just wanted to have like some really big looking gills. And then now we want to add some details onto here. So first I'm just going to kind of add a little bit of a broken line right there just to show where the fin is. Going to add another little kind of broken lines right around the mouth. I got kind of like these ridges here, and I'm going to add like some little spikes kind of going down the back. We'll have them get smaller and smaller as they go down. I'm going to add some little lines right here, and then a couple little curved lines just kind of show where the tail is kind of moving. I'm going to make kind of like a broken, wiggly, kind of wavy line that just kind of goes all the way down here. I'm going to end it right there at the fin, and then I'm going to kind of pick this back up out here. Just kind of broken, wavy, jagged line. I'm going to add a couple little extra, just kind of broken lines all around the body of the shark. Give it a couple little lines right around here, some little curved lines around the eye. Add some extra little lines kind of around here, some little lines on the fins, and up here too. I'm going to make a nice little long broken lines going down here just to show some details. Right here at the fin, I'm going to add a couple curved lines just to kind of show where it's sitting in there. It's kind of curving. A few on this side too. A couple little broken lines down here. Kind of make some of these lines curve in a little bit. Add some extra little lines kind of going along here. Just kind of have some fun with the line work, add some different things. Right down here, I'm going to add a little bit of a broken line, and just to kind of make things different, I'm going to add some like little kind of spikes coming out of the side of him. Just to make it look like he's got like, kind of really prehistoric. I'm going to add some little curved lines around here just to make it look like they're kind of sticking out of him. I'm going to add just a little bit of like a broken line going down the top here, just so we can add some detail to these little spikes. And I'm going to add just a couple little more details around these. Another little broken line going around the top of there. And then just a couple little broken lines that are just going to kind of curve right around, just to kind of show that he is rounded. Add just a couple little details right around the nose and the mouth. And I might even add some little spikes kind of at the bottom of him too, just to kind of give something a little bit different looking to him. Make him look really prehistoric. Just kind of put some extra little lines all over, wherever you want to, just kind of have some fun with it. Some little lines kind of on his mouth too. And there you go. There is your drawing of a megalodon. I kind of put my own twist on it. I would love to see what you guys do. So if you draw this and kind of add some different details, you can always post your pictures to one of our social media accounts. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.